Hello traders, in this video you are going to learn about the best breakout trading strategy, and I will prove this thing that it's why it's best and it beats all other breakout methodologies and strategies available on TradingView, because this strategy is very simple to use. It does not repaint and there is no problem with the strategy. So do not skip this video, and if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video that I personally use this broker. So let's move towards the indicator section, and now we need only one indicator that is going to help you with the strategy, and that is high and low optimized trend tracker HOTT. And please note that this is by the famous author, that is Kivan Ozbijelik, and you can see 3909 traders have already put this indicator into their favorites, and I have already made a video of this. Okay, so you can see that I am using the 5-minute chart. Now would you believe that here we had the breakout. You can see we have two levels on the screen, the blue one and the red one. Okay, so please note down the first methodology, that whenever you see that the market is inside these two levels, do not trade that one, because it is advised by the author that this could be the ranging momentum, this could be the bad momentum. You can get random signals from your other indicators. So for example, if you are using any other indicator in combination with this breakout strategy, then you must follow this one strictly, because if you are getting the signals in between these clouds, they are useless. Okay, now you can see on gold 5-minute the breakout happened, and you can see a clear downward trend. Now I will not be going to give you the risk and reward ratio, because if you are going to use this, then it will blow your mind. Because for example, let's say if you have taken the entry on this breakout, okay, so you have set up the stop loss at the previous low, then what you must have expected, if we look at here, even we went more down than this. So would you believe that this is the best breakout that is giving you 5.78 from the single trade? If you are a swing trader, and if you even want to do scalping, you can easily catch 1:2 from your trades. Let's have a look on Euro USD. This is the current situation, downward trend going on Euro USD. Let's find that where the breakout happens. Okay, now look at here. This is the area where I'm telling you that if any indicator gives you signals, please do not trade that one. Okay, here we have a bullish breakout, but the market went into the upward direction for the small time. Later on it was reversed, so this breakout was fake. Okay, then it comes down. Look at this breakout, and then believe me, that's quite massive, and this is the one of the best indicator available on TradingView completely for free, and you can see it is also guiding you with the trend. Okay, let's have a look on USD JPY. Here you have a breakout from here. Okay, so for example, here you have a breakout, you have taken the position, you have set up the stop loss at the previous low. Now what you have targeted, if we compare it, you can easily see 5.91 ratio from a single trade. That's quite impressive. Okay, right now you can see the market is moving inside it. However, we have a breakout here as well, but didn't went, and I will tell you in the next video why this didn't went, because I'm going to give the another video, support and resistance. So please make sure that you watch the next video that I will upload on YouTube, because this will be going to help you with this indicator. Okay, now look at this scenario. That's very important. We have a long position here, we have a breakout here, we have set up the previous low, and then right now if we talk about here, we are already 0.75, but we should be targeting at least 1.6, 1.7, or you can also target up to 2 ratio as well, but always it is better to find the risk and reward ratio as per the trend. So here we have another breakout, so here we have another breakout. So guys, this indicator is massive. Okay, now one more thing you need to understand, that you should use this indicator on forex, crypto, whatever stocks you are dealing in. You can use this indicator and it can fulfill your very good dreams. Only few of the trades are going to hit your stop losses. Rest, if you have patience, if you are not in a big hurry to make a quick profits, then this indicator is going to help you, and you can use this indicator in combination with your other indicators. So this is one of my best video liked by my subscribers, because already I have made the video of this, but today I thought that I should give a specific version for the breakout of this strategy so that you guys can understand easily. And please make sure that I will upload the next video, support and resistance, so how to draw support and resistance. So please watch this, because this video, that video will help you in finding the best breakouts for you. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe the FX Mentor US channel, and share this video with everyone. And thank you for watching this video.